Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you on how to install this powerful open source CRM, this script, this file here. Today I'll be teaching you on how to install it on your cPanel. So kindly watch this video carefully so that you understand how I did this. And please, if you're a newcomer here, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that anytime I post a video like this, it will be useful for you. Alright, so as you can see, I'm on my cPanel. You also go to your cPanel. I'm on my cPanel. Go to my file manager. Please kindly watch this video carefully so that you understand how I did this. When you go to your cPanel, you go to publish HTML. Here is the file. So if you want to upload this file here, you click on upload and it will take you to this page. Then you press on select file. It will take you to your phone file manager where you kept the file. You upload it from there, and once you do that, you allow it to load from 0% to 100% so that it will show complete. Once it show completely, so now reflect on your server. When it reflects on your server, what you have to do is to extract it. You extract it. So let's wait so it will be done extracting so we can start the process. Alright, as you can see, it has been done extracting. You now close it. Now there is another folder here. You need to open that folder. You click on Perfex CRM. Then you copy all this. After copying it, you move it to HTML. Publish HTML. Now let's check if it is there. Alright, so as you can see, everything has been moved successfully to our publish HTML. Now let's check if this site has been live. Right now, as you can see, it said Perfex CRM not installed. To use the automatic Perfex CRM installation, to click here. Alright, now so what we just need to do now is to just click here. Alright, so as you can see, everything here is working well. Everything is working well, so let's keep going. Everything is working well. Everything is working well. So for here now, we need to create our database. We have not created a database, so let's go back. Let's go back to create a database. Go back to your cPanel. Go to Data Wizard. Alright, now let's create a database. Let's create a demo. Let's create a demo. You can put it anything of your choice there. So for me, I'm putting demo. Then let's use a password that was generated for us. Now you copy this password. You click on here. I have copied this password in a safe place. Now you click on use password. And now make sure you save this in a safe place. Make sure you save this in a safe place. And now let me save this on my phone tab. Here is the password, so I save it. I click on create user. Make changes. Just make sure you register your database correct. So as you can see now, let's go here. I'll put in my password. Here I'm going to put in the database name. Let's go back. Alright, so as you can see, here is the database username. You copy it, and remember we did the same thing here. Our database name and the user is the same thing. Then here you click on localhost, then you click on check database. Alright, so let's do this. You put any name, so password here, let's put the same password that we were using. Let's copy it, let's put it here, put same thing here. Say I'm from Africa. Let's go, let's check where I'm currently located. Let's put here, let me put Lagos. So as you can see, Africa Lagos here. Let's install this. Please kindly wait. Let's just wait for a few minutes to see if we are on the right place of the installation. Alright, so as you can see now, this script has been successfully installed. So let's check this out. Alright, they say delete the installation folder. So let's go back to delete the installation folder. Here is the installation folder. Let's delete it. Then let's go back and refresh it to see. Alright, so as you can see, it has been done successfully. Let me put my email, my password, click on login. Alright, so as you can see, this script has been successfully installed. This is the admin dashboard, and here is my profile. Thank you for watching this video. May God bless you.